Good morrow, it's Wednesday, and today I have a breakfast feast for you guys. I have some hash brown patties, I have an omelet with bacon, onion, and Havarti, and then I also have a yummy biscuit with sausage and American cheese. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy, and it's not dry at all. Well, the biscuit is obviously, but... the sausage in it isn't it? And it's delicious. Hot coffee, my Raven Cafe mug, but I hope everyone's doing well. I'm doing pretty good today. Just did some cleaning, did a meditation, played some Lego Fortnite. Later tonight, Jack and I are going to have a movie night. I think we're going to be watching Beekeeper. Unless plans change, which sometimes they do. But and then to our dippage, I have Heinz 57 sauce, ketchup, and no, I just put tapatio on my omelette. And it is lovely. Yesterday when I went on my walk, I saw the first buds of spring. I'm very excited about it. The sooner spring actually arrives, the sooner I'll be able to get on my bike and film that cheesesteak video that I'm actually extremely excited about. And just get out on my bike more in general. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I also super badly want to get inline skates this year. Sorry. I do have a metal spoon. Just because I don't have any plasticware right now. I'm only using the plasticware. I still have my wooden cutlery. But I'm using this right now because sometimes the wooden cutlery is too big. So look at that cheesy goodness. Oops. Sorry, I dropped on the cutting board. Probably threw that cat hair on my sandwich. Hashtag just animal owner things. And I also have like, I'm gonna start making sure I have like more sauces, like off screen, even if it's on screen a little bit, just so like I don't have any during filming. That's all. But one of my goals this summer is to get some inline skates and start inlining again, because it's something I really enjoyed when I was a kid. Back when I wasn't like super into like, back when I was like impatient and like just doing things to try to be cool, was like one of my legit favorite things. So I'm really excited to do it again now that I know myself better and now that I don't just do things so that people will think I'm all that in a bag of chips. Oh. This might be my favorite thing of the spread. D freaking lish. Put that going on. I'm hoping I'm gonna do my yoga practice before Jack comes over, but I can always just do like some bedtime yoga. And a nice relaxing stretch. But yeah, just a chill Monday for the most part I have planned. I know my neighbors never got their bicycle working. Bicycle, motorcycle, crotch rocket, whatever you want to call it. My thing is, why didn't you just put it in the car that you junked? Like, and I think I probably said that, but like, that's the biggest thing when it comes to that is like, these men have been chasing me for years. And they just keep proving why. Me telling them to go fuck themselves over and over and over was the wise decision to make. You know? On top of all the tea, I found out that I'll spill at a much later date, probably. I don't want to talk about anything in detail that I find while they're still living next to me. But once I move or they move, the tea is hot. It is piping hot. My mom better let that dog in because she always does this while I'm eating. She'll like go do something when she knows I'm having dinner or lunch or whatever and try to get me to like you let the dog out. You should be watching and let it in. Normally I have no problem, but she knew I was trying to make breakfast. And now and I'm not getting up to go do it. There we go. But anyways, I was also making breakfast and like we need new cat furniture. Like cat trees and stuff. And I was trying to get this ready to film. And she's like, come look at it, come look at it. I'm like, no, I'm trying to fucking cook my omelet. She's why I turned into a failure. I don't care what anyone says. Hey, my parents had never had a hold on me. I would have been so much farther in life. Like, everything I am now has been my own work. No thanks to either of my parents, because my dad has dementia and is dying in Ohio. And my mom's just a dumb bitch that I can't wait to get away from. Refuses to help me with anything, but then will bitch about me and all my problems. But then when I ask her for help with my problems, doesn't care. And before you sit there and go, I'm not your mom's job, then why did she make sure that I couldn't fucking function? Why did she make sure I didn't know how to do anything? Like, you could have taught yourself. Well, I was raised to believe I was a fucking idiot my entire life by everybody around me. Go fuck yourselves. Disrespectfully, please. Thank you. I definitely outdid myself. It's delicious. Oh, it sounds like they're trying to start their bike again. Anyways, I'm saving that for later. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I say that again. I was doing so good, but yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. I don't really care. But make sure you chat with me in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And my Instagram will be linked down below. See some snapshots of my life. And sometimes I talk to you guys on there if you message me. But I hope you have a great day. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.